YouTube was good. Leekautorepair. Might be let me say it again. It might be a little echo, a little bit in here. Shit's bouncing off the walls because we in my box, my prison. Nah, I'm stop playing. I'm at home in my little ass garage. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe and all that good shit. So this video, I just wanted to talk to y'all about, well, nothing really much to talk about. Well, I bought a tool. It was kind of a little expensive. Went out and got it's called a porta torch by Lincoln Electric. I'll try to bring it closer so that you can see. That's if you can see. Went to pick this up from Lowe's and I spent $300 on it. And the reason why I got this because I'm doing an exhaust job on a Nissan, and I can't. I had to use the old cats to put back in the car. This customer ain't gonna buy a new one. I ain't selling one. Plus, it don't need it or whatever. So the nut and bolt for it is like really rusted on there, really bad. Mad gas won't even work, and pair of vice grips and different size socket. You go up a size, down, whatever. Don't matter. It don't work. Period. Just living where I'm at and dealing with rust all the time. We like to have heat, like a lot of heat, like hot as hell heat. Like, you get what I'm trying to say. So this one, I'm pretty sure in your shop you got set up like this, acetylene torch with the oxygen tank. They come real tall. I don't know if they're like 5 feet or 4 feet. Come about this yay high, a little bit or whatever. And you get just 2 tanks, and they're pretty heavy to roll around or whatever. But bigger the tank, the better, less you have to refill. But me, look what size place I'm in right now. The hell am I gonna do with 5 feet or 4 feet tall oxygen tanks and acetylene tanks, right? I'm home. I need this size. So it's a good investment. Like I said, I spent $300. This kit includes, you might as well just go ahead and unbox it, but the kit includes, you get your tip, you get the striker, the little thing where the sparker can do the spark joint, and then you get like those cheap ass goggles that they like to give out, motherfucker. And I'm cussing. I know I said, you know what, I'm not gonna keep acknowledging the fact that I can't stop cussing. So it is what it is. So I'm just gonna unbox this. Okay, this is the important part because this is where the fire is gonna be coming at right here. So you get your little handle nozzle thing where you can adjust the how much oxygen you want, how much acetylene you want. So here it go right here. You know what that's for. I ain't no oxygen and acetylene specialist. I just know how to use the shit on shit properly, and I get the job done. That's all that matters. So if you guys want to know got the proper terms, all the valve for it, all the I don't know, what do you want to call it? Whatever. Just oxygen, acetylene, right here. That's your dial for it. That's how you can control it. Give you your hoses, red and green. We all know what that's for. Because it's coming, you can't have 2 the same colors. Common sense, of course. They gave me another box, and in this box is the gauges and the regulator for it. So you can adjust how much pressure you want coming out. You can restrict it or whatever. And the gauges let you know if the tank is full or empty. So that's definitely key, because if you got acetylene torch and you got gauges that are reading properly, then you don't know when your shit is empty unless you're gonna keep picking it up. Hey, let me see how much this way. It's empty, let me fill it up. Now the gauges, you got your gauges, your Gucci. Yo, here's the goggles I was telling you about. Hard Knocks. Bro, this is right up your alleyway. You think maybe we could partner up on? Let me see, hold up. How I look? I look like Hard Knocks. I'm trying. I don't know, but they give you these to protect your eyes from. You can weld with these. I think you can weld with these, but I don't think they got like the right. It's dark enough. I don't know. Whatever. But this will protect your eyes, because when you're going to be heating things off with this acetylene torch, it gets really hot, stuff fly everywhere. The light for it is so bright, you can ruin your eyes with it. We don't want to ruin your eyes, so make sure you get a pair. If you ain't got one, make sure you get some. Alright? Alright, what else is in here? It looks like, from the way I'm feeling on here, it looks like the tip. Here's the tool you use to open and close the valve on the acetylene. The oxygen has the dial. I'll pull it out in a second. But here's one tip. It's really plain. I don't know what that is. Maybe like an adapter or something like that. But put it on. But looks like this is another tip right here that comes in a box. And whatever. I guess this goes into here, screws in into whatever. I'll figure it out. Everything comes with instructions, so I'm gonna put this back. But you know, I ain't no idiot and none. Of course, I'm gonna do my research before I'm gonna put this together. I want to know the difference between the tips. How would it help me? All I know is I need heat. I need to be able to get these rusted bolts off. That's the only reason I use acetylene torches. But I ain't no expert, no specialist and all of that. I don't care. That's for you motherfuckers to sit behind the computer screen and Google and figure out and correct people like me. That's it. So I'm gonna put this back in here. So, I didn't mean to drop that. But I believe you go well with these stuff. Got a little dirt on it. Need to clean up in here. I did like 2 engines in the last 2 weeks. Didn't have a chance to clean up in here. Box. Let's get this shit out of here. Alright, so here's a little carrying thing. Looks very similar to the one that they got at Harbor Freights. The one at Harbor Freights is like $330. I don't know if it comes filled up. I don't think they would fill stuff up like that because that's real dangerous, and it's dangerous. So here's the tanks, acetylene tank. It's about yay big. It's not that heavy. It weighs about a couple pounds. The oxygen tank is going to be always more and bigger and heaviest. So you need more oxygen. More oxygen. That's the key to everything or whatever. So the instructions manual, all that good stuff. And this is a nice little portable carrying thing. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get me like a little mini roller or something, or car, or something I could put it on, whatever, I don't know, or hook it up to something. It doesn't matter. I wrap the hoses around, store to the side. Either way, I got me some acetylene torches. I think I made out good with this and ready to get some work done. And I'm definitely going to be able to get the job done and suspension parts. But I get the job done and keep repeating myself thinking about it. So I'm going to leave this video as a part one. Part one, we just talking about me unboxing and everything and what comes in it. And part two will be me using it because Monday, today's Saturday, couldn't find any welding stores or any places that sell oxygen tanks and acetylene tanks or like shop equipment and stuff like that. There's nobody open. I can't get a refill. So Sunday they close, so Monday I gotta wait to go get a refill. So I'll probably end up figuring on my way. I don't know. I gotta try to have these before. It's one place that opens up at like 7:30 near my job, so I'm gonna try to probably get it there so I can get it filled up, and that'll be part two video. So make sure you guys look out for that. So let me go ahead and put this back in the box. I'm just trying to like map out how I'm gonna do everything, cause I'm mad I gotta go out and go get this refilled, but it is what it is. First time for everything, right? So part one, make sure you guys like and subscribe.